Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Crow. Welcome to our reading lesson. I really hope you enjoyed that pretty cool video that you just watched. So I have a question for you. I wanted to know if you know what type of animal was in that video. If you guessed a chameleon, you are right. How about this? What was happening to that chameleon as he was walking along the branch? If you said he was changing colors, you are right again. Well, there's a fancy word for an animal who has the ability to change color, and we're going to talk about that in just a minute. Our story for the week is going to be called The Mixed Up Chameleon. This chameleon is similar to the chameleon you just saw in the video. This is a story by Eric Carle, the author and illustrator who we've been learning about over the last couple of weeks. So now I want to talk to you about that fancy word called camouflage. Do you know what it means? If you do, give a thumbs up. Well, I'm going to explain to you what the word camouflage means because it's important before we go and move into our story. Here is the word spelled out, camouflage. It's a very long word. It also starts with a C. So camouflage means that something has the ability to change itself so that it blends into its environment or its surroundings or where it is. Many types of animals and lizards and bugs and reptiles and lots of things use camouflage to help protect themselves so that they aren't eaten by other animals. They also use it so that they can hunt. It's like hiding themselves so they can sneak up on their prey. But also, chameleons change colors because of how they feel. Maybe they're happy, maybe they're sad, maybe they're mad. They will also change colors because of the way that they feel. So as you can tell, camouflage is a pretty cool word, and it's a pretty cool thing that happens to a lot of the animals that are out in nature. So I want you to think for a minute, and I want you to think if you know an animal that changes color or changes the way it looks, uses camouflage to help protect itself or hide itself from things that want to eat it. So think for a minute, and I bet you could come up with a few different animals that might do that. Sometimes there's a fox called an Arctic fox. It's a white fox in the winter and it blends in when it's in the snow so animals can't see it. But then when the snow is gone and it's no longer winter, his fur starts to change to the brown color that you see in the spring and the summer. And that Arctic fox is using camouflage to help protect itself. So later on, I'm going to show you a video of my favorite animal that is really, really good at camouflage. So be sure to check out that video at the end of our lesson. But for now, here's what I'd like you to do. Please click on and listen to the story of the Mixed Up Chameleon. I'll see you back soon.